Welcome, I'm the Word Nerd, and this is Counting the Cost Ministries. Let's dig deeper. So today we have my January plan with me. Basically, it's setting up my faith bullet journal for January. So this is the cover page. I chose snowflakes as the theme. If you're not artsy, you don't have to do this, but I'm artsy. I like drawing, I like doodling, I like coloring, so I like getting my creative juices flowing. So chose snowflakes, and I chose this light blue and this metallic silver marker that I got from the Dollar General store for cheap, and so that's what I chose. I chose this bubbly lettering. I saw it on Google Images and I was like, ooh, that's so cute, gotta use that. So here I am doing that. The next page we come to is the monthly log, and so since I'm not using this planner to plan my life but to basically log and record my journey with God, I'm using this to keep track on what I'm reading and anything else that comes to mind. So mostly it's just what I'm reading log. I like to track that because I'm going to forget if I don't. And then I have a place at the bottom for friends and family prayer requests and also for church prayer requests. And on the side over there, there's a little section for notes for anything that I might need to write down at a time that I'm in my journal. So I just continue the snowflake theme and that bubble lettering and whatnot. So the next spread we're gonna get into is I saw on some YouTube channel, and I cannot for the life of me remember, but it's one word a day. So you write one word a day, maybe what that day is like, or what for me, like maybe God gives me a word for that day to really meditate on, or something like that. So I thought it was really interesting, and I was like, yeah, I need to incorporate that. I'm the word nerd, so words or definitions are my thing, so I got to put that in there. And then I decided I wanted to record what I'm listening to, what my favorite songs are during the month, just kind of to record my journey with God, because I listen to worship music and gospel and whatnot, so, the music that I listen to kind of represents what I'm going through probably, so I just want to, record it to look back on it later. Then I have a section for projects, and that's just something that I want to make sure it's in my brain. If I'm looking at it, I'll remember, so write it down, you'll probably remember it better. So I just want it in front of my face, so I make sure I get on it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's just do a quick flip through, and hopefully this journal will evolve to fit more of my needs. This is the first time I'm doing something like this, so we'll see how it goes and where it evolves to. So I'm pretty excited about it. I hope you are too. So like I said, this will begin my dailies in January 1st, which I think I'm uploading this on January 1st. So yeah, looking forward to getting into this new journal. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video. If you really enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and also teaching videos. All the links will be down below. If you are a new Christian, check out our free PDF, the Little Booklet. It's free. It's in the description for download. Yeah, have a blessed day, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless.